To achieve greatly, you have to fail greatly. Um, Michael Jordan, fail your way to success. Um, Even Ed Sheeran had a video where he was saying like you learn nothing from failure. I mean, nothing from winning success. You only learn from failure. You only learn from failure, not success. And if you really think about it, when you succeed, you party. When you fail, you're like, all right, what's going on? Can I let's get it better this time. You study, you know. So um, if you're failing right now, keep going. I mean, a lot of you that watch this channel are so young, like probably teens or 20s. I don't know. Um, but it's like don't give up on your dream. Don't give up on God too. Like God's always with you. God loves you. Um, but it's easy to lose sight of God when you're winning or when you're successful. But it's sometimes it's easier to find Him when you're struggling. To be honest, and from my experience, it's different for everybody. But um, if you're failing right now, if you feel like you're just a failure, you're not. Just keep going. Um, God's with you. God loves you. Um, Try to read His Word. There's so many. There's so many. So much. Good information in the Bible, like truth in the Bible that you don't need to. That's just powerful. That will guide you. So if you're struggling, if you're lost, you know. Um, but like I said, if you're really like pursuing a dream, like you're if you don't give up, that's like 90% of it, 80% of it. So don't give up and fail your way to success. Fail your way to your dream. Fail, fail, fail. To achieve greatly, you have to fail greatly. God bless you guys.